Good morning everyone. Myself Manish Sanawa, Government Polytechnic Gaya of Civil Branch in 3rd semester. Today I am going to present my topic on integration by substitution method in the behalf of Mrityunjay sir, Head of Mathematics Department in GP Gaya. There are many methods of integration, one of which substitution method of integration. Integration by substitution. In order to find integrates of function effectively, we need to develop techniques that can reduce the function to standard forms. The substitution method is one such technique to reduce the function to standard forms for integrates the functions easily. In substitution method of integration, a given integral function x into dx can be transformed into another form by changing the independent variable x to t. It is important to note here we make the substitution for a function whose derivative also occurs in the integrand. This is done by substituting x equals to gt. Consider I is equals to integration of fx into dx. Now substitute x is equal to gt where g is a function of t. Now we differentiate it with respect to x and we get dx is equals to g dash t into dt. Therefore, the initial function is transformed into such way I is equals to integration of f gt into g dash t into dt. Here we take following examples which helps to understand integration by substitution. Example 1. I equals to integration of 2x sine x square plus 1 into dx. We know that the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x which is present in integrands. Hence let's substitute x square plus 1 is equals to t. Now differentiate it with respect to x and get dx is equals to dt by 2x. Therefore, the initial equation is transformed I is equals to integration of 2x sine t into dt by 2x. Thus, we get integration of sine t into dt. We know that integration of sine is minus cos. So, the integration of sine t is minus cos t plus c. Now, we put the value of t and get minus cos x square plus 1 plus c. Here we take another example. I is equals to integration of sine tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. Here derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square which is present in integrand. Let's we substitute t is equals to tan inverse x. Now differentiate it with respect to x and we get dx is equals to 1 plus x square into dt. Therefore, the initial function is transformed in such way. I is equals to integration of sine t by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square into dt. Then we get I is equals to integration of sine t into dt. As we know that integration of sine is minus cos, so the integration of sine t is minus cos t plus c. Now we put the value of t and we get minus cos t tan inverse x plus c. Some important integrals involving trigonometric function and their standard integrals using substitution technique. We take an example to understand these type of integration. Integration of tan x into dx. Here we can't integrate tan x directly. To solve it, we use substitution methods. Integration of tan x into dx is written as integration of sin x by cos x into dx. We substitute t is equals to cos x and differentiate it with respect to x. Now we get dx is equals to dt by minus sin x. Therefore, the initial function is transformed in such way I is equals to integration of sin x by t into dt by minus sin x. Now we get integration of minus dt by t. We know integration of 1 by t is log t plus c, which gives minus log t plus c. Now we put the value of t and get minus log cos x plus c. which is equals to log sec x plus c. Hence, the integration of tan x is log sec x plus c. Similarly, integration of cot x is log sin x plus c. Integration of sec x is log sec x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cos x is log cos x minus cot x plus c. Thank you.